Are you confused about how to download or install Pokemon Go app on your Android device? Well, if you are, then this video is made for you. In order to download or install your Pokemon Go app, all you have to do is go to your Google Play Store. And once you're on your Play Store app, you'll be on the home page. From the home page, on the very top, you can see a search bar. On the search bar here, you'll have to type Pokemon Go app. Once you have searched for Pokemon Go app, here on the very first option, there you can see the Pokemon Go app. From here, all you have to do is tap on the install button that is located right on the corner. The amount of time that is required in order to download your Pokemon Go app is highly dependent on your Wi-Fi connection. So for now, you'll have to patiently wait for some time for your Pokemon Go app to be downloaded. And just like that, here, as you can see, your Pokemon Go app has been downloaded. You can go and see whether your Pokemon Go app has been downloaded or not by going to your device please. And here, as you can see, it has successfully been downloaded. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope you found our video helpful. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.